Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. I've been using the iPhone 12 mini as my primary phone for the last few months and I really like its camera. And recently, I got the Samsung S21 and I've been using it for a few days. And guys, one thing for sure that the camera output of this phone is also very good. So I decided to do a camera comparison and here I will be comparing the iPhone 12 mini camera with the Samsung S21. In terms of the specification, we get the triple camera setup in the S21, where we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, then we have the 12 megapixel wide angle camera and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera. And next to it, we have the LED flashlight. Just for your reference, here is the complete specifications of the cameras. Now looking at the iPhone 12 mini, we get the dual 12 megapixel camera where we have an ultra-wide f2.4 aperture camera along with the wide 1.6 aperture camera. And next to the camera setup, we have the True Tone flashlight. Now let's begin the comparison. And guys, we have taken the photos and videos in different lighting conditions. And let's start with the daylight condition. So on the left we have the Samsung S21 and on the right side we have the iPhone 12 mini. Now looking at the photos, I have noticed that in the daylight, both the phone performs really good. And in some cases, we got the warmer tone with the iPhone 12 mini as compared to the little cooler tone in the Samsung S21. The photos from both the phones are sharp and the details are also very good. In the next few photos, you will see the same trend where we have the warmer tone in the iPhone and the cooler tone with the S21. Personally, I like the cooler tone pictures of the S21 as compared to the iPhone 12 mini. We also noticed that in some cases, the pictures from the S21 are vibrant as compared to the iPhone 12 mini. Looking at the dynamic range, here both the phone performs really good, but the iPhone 12 mini has a slight advantage here. Here are few more pictures where everything looks similar except the tone difference. Both the phone offers ultra-wide lenses. The ultra-wide photos look spectacular, and again, we notice the S21 has cooler tone as compared to the warmer tone of the iPhone 12 mini. In terms of the landscape pictures, the results are neck to neck. The only difference is slightly better dynamic range with the iPhone 12 mini. Apart from that, the quality of the photos looks wonderful when captured with both the phones. Here is one more example of the ultra-wide landscape photo, and here we have the tone difference. Rest everything looks very similar. The Samsung S21 has an advantage of 30x digital zoom, where the iPhone 12 mini can capture only at 5x digital zoom. So here is a picture in the 2x and then the 4x, and from here you will see the optimization of the S21 is really good, especially the 30x zoom picture. And this is my favorite feature so far in the Samsung S21. So in terms of the ultra-wide pictures, the photo clarity and the sharpness is almost the same in both the phones. And apart from the tone difference, we get slightly better dynamic range in the iPhone 12 mini. While doing some plant photography, we notice saturated output from the iPhone 12 mini as compared to the Samsung S21. And the clarity and the overall sharpness here again is very similar. Now moving towards some artificial lighting indoor photos, we saw the same trend from the iPhone 12 mini, and here you can see get more saturated pictures where the S21 photos looks natural. There is also an issue with the white balance in the iPhone 12 mini, and here in this picture the white table was looking more pinkish. Here is one more example. You can clearly see the white balance issue with the iPhone 12 mini in the artificial lighting. So overall in the indoor and artificial lighting, we found the iPhone 12 mini pictures are more saturated as compared to the Samsung S21. And also, the white balance is more accurate in the Samsung S21. Now moving towards some low light photos, here we found more contrast in the photos from the iPhone 12 mini. So guys, you be the judge and also let us know which phone do you think performs better in the daylight and the artificial lighting condition. Now moving towards the video output, we have captured both the videos at 4K 60fps. And first of all, the videos from both the phones are very well stabilized. But if I have to pick one, I will definitely pick the iPhone 12 mini over the Samsung S21 because of better dynamic range and the overall video output. In terms of the slow-mo, both the phone performs good, but here the Samsung S21 has an advantage. You get the super slow mode, which is really good. Now, here is a quick mic test.
Alright, so this is a quick mic test. The audio you're hearing is from the iPhone 12 mini, and now I will switch to the S21. So this is the audio from the S21. I hope the mic quality is loud and clear, and so yeah, that's all.
The mic performance is good from both the phones, and overall you get a good mic clarity. Now moving towards the night photos, we have captured all these pictures in the night mode, and the performance here again is neck to neck. You also get the night mode in the ultra wide camera. But if I have to choose one, I will for sure pick the Samsung S21 for the night mode, as it offers better clarity and sharp images. And guys, here is one more example of the 30x zoom, and you can see even in the night time it performs pretty good. In terms of the video, for some reason, the output from the S21 came out a bit shaky as compared to the iPhone 12 mini, and the clarity is much better in the iPhone 12 mini. Now looking at the front camera, we get the 10 megapixel selfie camera with the f2.2 aperture in the Samsung S21, and in the iPhone 12 mini, we get the 12 megapixel front shooter with the aperture of f2.2. Now looking at some photo samples, the pictures from the S21 looks natural with more natural tone, and you get a good dynamic range. Notice the background, and it is blown out in the iPhone 12 mini picture. The portrait mode works very good in both the phones, but we get more natural skin tone with the Samsung S21. Here is one more picture where I can clearly see the tone difference as my mask is of blue color, but in the iPhone 12 mini it looks more towards the black shade. And about the video stabilization, both the phone performs very good and the video output is very similar. The Samsung S21 has an advantage here when it comes to the front camera videos, and here it supports the portrait videos which are missing in the iPhone 12 mini. And guys, I must tell you that the Samsung S21 camera interface is really good, and you get more features and options as compared to the iPhone 12 mini. For example, you get the single take option in the Samsung S21 for both the rear and front camera, and basically it captures a 10-second video and then shows you the best image from it. You can also select the image of your choice from here. So overall both the phone performs wonderful in daylight conditions, except the cooler tone of the Samsung S21 and the warmer tone in the iPhone 12 mini. So for photos, the results are very similar, but for videos, we found the iPhone 12 mini video output slightly better. The selfie camera performs very well in the S21 as compared to the iPhone 12 mini, and you get more natural tone pictures. So to sum it up, for the rear camera output, it was a close competition, and we would call it a tie. But for the selfie camera, the S21 is a clear winner here. And guys, right now there is a sale going on for the Samsung S21 series, and you can get amazing offers on the Samsung official website. The offer which is available at the moment is that you get the Galaxy Watch Active 2 worth Rs 24,000 for just Rs 990, which is really a good deal. So if you're interested, then do check the link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the camera comparison of the iPhone 12 mini versus the Samsung S21. Hope you like this camera comparison video, and if you have any queries or suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.